There's a woodpecker on the feeder. He's got himself a seed. Gonna go to his favorite spot and bang it into the bark. And off he goes. Here's our sparrows. Here comes the woodpecker. Chase the sparrows off. Hang underneath because it's hard for a woodpecker to sit on a bird feeder. Yet this one has figured it out. Gotta chase off the sparrows though to open it up enough. It's a bully. And that male sparrow is clever enough to hide from the woodpecker. See, and he gets in there, he tries to lever it open with his beak. And then he's gonna lever it open if he can keep the other little birds off. Got it. Got himself a seed and off to the tree. Bang. They're clever little buggers.